Hi, I'm Eric for Simply VAV. In this video, we're going to configure a Simply VAV controller's box and airflow settings using the digital room sensor. The digital room sensor is all you need to set these values. Setting up a Simply VAV controller starts by pressing and holding the up and down arrow buttons at the same time. In controllers without passwords, the display changes to the configuration screen after a few seconds. If a password is required, you would have to enter it before the configuration screen is shown. From the configuration screen, you can press up or down to choose other functions such as communication or balancing. These topics are covered in other videos. Right now, I want to configure the VAV functions, so I'm going to push the center button and choose Configuration. The display advances to Set Point, and from here I have some additional choices. I can navigate to choose Set Point, Box, Flow, Advanced, or Restore. The Set Point selection steps through the default temperature set points. The Box menu sets the K-factor, reheat, fan, and damper direction to close. The Flow menu sets the airflow limits. Under Advanced, I can change passwords and other special features of the controller. The Restore changes the displayed units and also restores the controller to factory settings. We are going to start in the Box menu. The first display is the primary K-factor. To change the value, push the up or down button and the value changes. Our box has a K-factor of 950. When the value is correct, push the center button. The value is saved and the display moves to the next step. In this step, we select the damper direction to close. Our box is clockwise to close. For controllers with fan and reheat capabilities, additional menus are available to configure these items. Press the center button when the selection is correct. The menu returns us to the Box selection. From Box, navigate to the Flow section. Press the center button to enter the Flow menu. The first step is configuring the minimum cooling airflow. We are using 50 CFM as our minimum. Next, the maximum cooling airflow is set. We will be using 150 CFM as our maximum. Next, heating limits are set up. We will be using the same settings for heating as we did in cooling. Once I have moved through all the steps, the controller returns to the flow display where I can choose a new function or choose to exit configuration. In other videos, I will discuss how to use the sensor to set the default temperature set points. To view additional videos and explore product resources, please visit simplyvav.com.